All right. Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. We're all about leveling up in healthcare. And, well, today we're diving into something that could seriously boost your professional game.
Yeah, we're talking about SlideShare.
SlideShare? I mean, everyone's heard of it, right? But are you using it to its full potential? That's the real question.
Exactly. We stumbled upon this learning resource. It is all about becoming a thought leader in healthcare. And guess what? SlideShare is their secret weapon.
Yeah, secret weapon. I like the sound of that. So what's the big idea here? What's the core concept they're pushing?
It's actually pretty straightforward. They have this checklist. One single checklist item to turn you into a SlideShare superstar. But don't let that fool you. It's packed with insights.
Okay, so break it down for us. What's the first step on this magical checklist?
First up, they say, pick a hot topic.
Pick a hot topic.
Yeah. They even mention AI in diagnostics as an example. It's all about tapping into what's trending in healthcare right now.
Okay, so AI in diagnostics, that's definitely a buzzword these days. But how do we, narrow it down? How do we make sure it really resonates with our audience?
That's where the nuance comes in. Think about the conversations happening in your specific corner of healthcare.
Right. Like, what are the pain points? What are people talking about at conferences?
Exactly. Address those burning questions, and you'll instantly stand out as someone who's in the know, who gets it. It's not just about following trends, it's about being relevant.
Okay, so we've got our hot topic. Now, the checklist also mentions engaging visuals and clear data. That's given for any presentation, right? But on SlideShare, it feels like we need to go a step further.
Absolutely. We're talking about visual storytelling here. Forget those boring bullet points. Think infographics, charts that unfold like a narrative, even a well-placed meme if it fits the tone.
Memes on a professional SlideShare.
Hey, a little humor can go a long way, especially if it helps you connect with your audience.
True. Okay, so visuals, check. What else is on this checklist?
This is where it gets interesting. They emphasize the importance of case studies and actionable takeaways. It's not enough to just talk about concepts. People want to see how it works in the real world.
Yeah, everyone's looking for practical advice, something they can actually use.
Exactly. A solid case study adds credibility. It shows that your ideas have been put into practice. And then you hit them with those actionable takeaways. Give them something they can implement right away. That's where the real value lies.
Makes sense. Okay, so we've got a hot topic, engaging visuals, case studies, actionable takeaways. What's next?
Now it's time to spread the word. They talk about sharing your SlideShare across multiple platforms, LinkedIn, obviously, but also other social media channels where your target audience hangs out.
It's all about reach, right? Getting your content in front of as many eyeballs as possible.
It's more than just reach. It's about maximizing impact. Think about repurposing your SlideShare. Turn it into a LinkedIn article. Suddenly you're reaching a whole new audience, sparking new conversations. Smart. Okay, last but not least, the checklist mentions tracking views and shares. I mean, that's how we measure success, right?
Absolutely. But it's also about learning and evolving. What resonated with your audience? What fell flat? Use that data to refine your approach. Make your next SlideShare even better.
So we've covered a lot of ground here. Picking the right topic, making it visually engaging, backing it up with real-world examples, sharing it strategically, and then using data to constantly improve. All of that from one single checklist item.
It's pretty impressive, right?
Imagine this. You're presenting at a conference, you share your SlideShare, and boom, your LinkedIn explodes with new connections, maybe even job offers.
Who knows? The possibilities are endless.
It really does feel like this resource could be a game changer for anyone looking to establish themselves as a thought leader in healthcare.
It's definitely worth checking out. If you're serious about taking your career to the next level, this might just be the roadmap you've been searching for.
Food for thought, everyone. Food for thought. And that's a wrap on another deep dive. We'll catch you next time. See them. Bye.
Bye.